Property Owner Files, Season 4, Episode 2, Why I Stopped Relying on Good Tenants. Good tenants aren't a system. Why good tenants still create risk. Is being a landlord really worth it? Season 4 is about prevention, the systems that replace guesswork. Today's file is about a belief that feels comforting and quietly creates risk. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. Why I stopped relying on good tenants. For a long time, I thought the goal was finding good tenants. People who paid on time, didn't complain, didn't cause problems. When I found them, I relaxed. That was the mistake. Today's file isn't about bad tenants. It's about why relying on good tenants created blind spots I didn't see coming. Not because good tenants are unreliable, but because people change, circumstances shift, and systems don't. Stay until the end, because this realization completely changed how I manage property. And if this helps you think more clearly about ownership, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Why good tenants feel safe. Good tenants feel like a reward. They pay rent. They follow rules. They don't draw attention. So landlords step back. Inspections get delayed. Processes loosen. Assumptions replace verification. Nothing breaks immediately. That's why this belief lasts so long. But good behavior isn't a guarantee. It's a moment in time. Health changes, jobs change, stress changes people. Relying on character instead of systems works until it doesn't. Still watching? This is where the risk hides. How reliance creates blind spots. The longer things go smoothly, the less visible the property becomes. Out of sight, out of mind. That's the blind spot. Good tenants don't raise flags when something breaks slowly. They adapt. They work around issues. They stop reporting small problems. And small problems become expensive ones. The issue isn't trust. It's visibility. Still watching? This is why systems matter more than behavior. What systems do that people can't? Systems don't assume. They verify. They don't relax when things feel calm. They run the same way every time. Inspections happen whether tenants are good or not. Communication follows process. Documentation stays consistent. Systems don't replace trust. They remove dependency on it. And that's what creates stability. The shift that changed everything. Once I stopped relying on good tenants, stress dropped. Not because tenants got worse, but because outcomes became predictable. Problems were caught earlier. Conversations stayed neutral. Decisions felt easier. Good tenants benefited too, because clarity creates fairness. The real lesson: good tenants are great, but they aren't a strategy. Systems are. Season 4 is about building predictability, so success doesn't depend on people behaving perfectly. In the next file, we break down the inspection schedule that prevents surprises. Good tenants didn't fail. The system was missing. In the next file, we walk through the inspection cadence that catches problems early. Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.